Hello and welcome to today's lecture. We have just a short lecture today with information to prepare you for the Holy Season course that starts tomorrow, the first day of the Holy Season. This, of course, is our 41-day course to enliven the sacred sounds of creation, to enliven the great wave of creation. And we knew that this would be beneficial for each one of us individually as well as collectively. But Cindy still asked Lantos today, would there be a benefit for people who are participating in this? And he said yes. Participating with the enlivenment of the sacred sounds is a very great blessing. It is a blessing to the individual and to the world. It will be very good for everyone to participate daily. Enlivening these sacred sounds enlivens all form, all structure, all expressions of creation. All layers receive the sacred blessings. So those were Lantos' words today on participating in this course. So what are the details of this course? It's going to be 5 to 10 minutes each day. And I had told you an anticipated time. I was off by an hour. It's going to be 4 p.m. Pacific each day. So that's 5 p.m. Mountain, 6 p.m. Central, and of course then 7 p.m. Eastern Time. For those of you in other countries around the world, that means New York. New York City, it'll be 7 p.m. Those of you in Beijing, those of you in Guangzhou, Shanghai, Taipei, it will be 8 a.m. your time. Now we're going to be airing this on YouTube Live. It'll be broadcast on YouTube Live, and every day about 5 hours before the broadcast, we will send out an email to you with a link so that you'll be able to simply click on that link a minute or so before the scheduled start time, and you'll be able to watch live as we broadcast the sacred sounds. You also have a couple other options. We'll put the link on our website every single day, but you need to make sure that your website that your browser has refreshed its cache for the day so that you get today's link instead of yesterday's link by going to the website. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to make sure that you receive notifications. Any of those options, but we're going to send an email out every day with the link. And if you have any problems getting notifications, give us a call at the office and we'll help you walk through the whole steps of getting subscribed on YouTube so that you simply get notified by YouTube every time we go live. Now, what will you need for the class? You're going to need your Song of the Spheres. If you don't have the Song of the Spheres, simply use your pendant of eternal light. Hold it in the left hand and follow the procedures that Cindy outlines for you each day. But for those of you who do have the Song of the Spheres, you will be holding it in your left hand, and then you will be spinning it with your right hand. Whenever Cindy gives you the instruction to spin the song, you simply spin it one time. You don't continue to spin it over and over and over. You just spin it one time. Each time Cindy gives you an instruction to spin the song. Many of you have received your instructions on the Whisper of the Seeds, the moon seeds, so you know how to enliven your sacred sounds for inception and reflection. Some of you do not have this, so I want to make sure that you understand right now how to enliven the sacred sounds. Cindy will give you instructions, but there will be a sound for the Realm Lord. You will think that sound. Cindy's going to say it out loud, and you will either say it with her or think it, depending upon her instructions. And then she'll say to spin the song. So you spin the song one time, and then she will introduce 3 sacred sounds, and you will repeat those with her. But you'll also, during the daytime, do this silently. And then you repeat that process again. Introduce the Realm Lord sound, spin the song, introduce the 3 sacred sounds. Then a third time, introduce the Realm Lord sound, spin the song, introduce the 3 sacred sounds. So that means you introduce the Realm Lord 3 times. You spin the song once, each time 3 times. And then you introduce the 3 sacred sounds each time for 3 times. After the live broadcast, Lantos will give you instructions to go ahead and do this periodically throughout the day. Whenever you have an opportunity to spend just a minute enlivening these sacred sounds for the day, you should go ahead and do that. For many of you, that'll be the rest of the evening time before bed, and in the morning when you wake up. Then you'll probably be busy during the day. But again, for those of you who haven't received instruction on this before, just to make sure you understand what that means, you will sit quietly holding the song in your left hand. You will close your eyes. You will introduce the Realm Lord sound. Then you will spin the song one time, and then you will introduce the three sacred sounds. All of this, the Realm Lord sound and the three sacred sounds, are introduced silently in your mind, in your heart, but not spoken out loud. Then you will introduce the Realm Lord sound a second time silently in your mind. Spin the song a second time. Introduce the three sacred sounds a second time. Then introduce the Realm Lord sound a third time. Spin the song a third time. Introduce the three sacred sounds a third time. Again, all of this done silently inside. At least 3 times. That's the instruction. You can do it as many times as you want, as often as you want. Okay, everyone. This will be a fun class. It's going to be a very exciting time and a very beneficial time for Earth with the Great Wave coming. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining me, and I will speak with you, well, I'll be with you tomorrow. I probably won't say anything. I probably won't speak. Cindy will be speaking to us tomorrow, but I'll be with you coordinating every step of the way for all 41 days, and I will give you another lecture on Sunday. So I'll see you and speak with you on Sunday. Okay, everyone. See you tomorrow.